Complete asset lifecycle management in Innovatiive HRMS. Let's start. Open the Assets section to manage company equipment. Click Add Asset to register a new device. Type the asset name to identify this item. Choose the asset category from the drop-down. Enter the model name for the iPhone 17 Pro. Enter the asset's serial number. Enter the vendor name to record the supplier. Select the branch from the drop-down to specify which location these assets belong to. Enter the purchase date of the asset. Enter the purchase cost amount. Enter the warranty expiry date. Open Gallery and upload images of the asset. Click Create Asset to save the new asset. Click the View icon to open asset details. Click the asset image to view a larger preview. Click Close to exit the image preview. Click Assign Asset to allocate the device to someone. Search for the employee to assign this asset. Select the employee from the drop-down list. Choose the asset's condition: excellent, good, fair, poor. Click Assign Asset to finalize the assignment. Click the clock icon to view asset history. Click the truck icon to return the asset. Once returned, it can be assigned to another person. Note confirmation: asset will be marked available and assignment ended. Select Good from the Return Condition drop-down. Click Return Asset to confirm the return. Click the Employee Profile icon to manage assigned assets. Type the employee name to search and select them. Select Nancy Ramirez, EMP0002, from the Employee drop-down. Choose the asset condition as Good from the drop-down. Click Assign Asset to assign the iPhone 17 Pro. Click the clock icon to open the asset history. Click the History icon to view full assignment history. Click the Transfer icon to start transferring the asset, currently assigned to Roshan Lakhani. Enter the employee name again to find the recipient. Select Nancy Ramirez, M02 from the drop-down. Choose the asset condition as Good for transfer. Click Transfer Asset to complete the transfer. Click the clock icon to view transfer history. Click the X to close the assignment history modal. Click Schedule Maintenance to plan maintenance for this asset. This option is only available when the asset is unassigned or has been returned by an employee. Enter maintenance details in the description field. Click the Scheduled Date field and pick a date. Enter the estimated maintenance cost in rupees. Type the vendor or service provider name. Enter the technician's name to assign maintenance responsibility. Click Schedule Maintenance to save the maintenance appointment. Click the Play button to start maintenance now. Click Start Maintenance to begin the maintenance work. When the asset is received back from maintenance, click the checkmark icon, fill in the required details, and mark it as completed. Once updated, the asset becomes available for assignment again. Enter details of the work performed in the text area. Add any additional notes or observations about the maintenance. Click Complete Maintenance to finalize the maintenance record. Click the clock icon to view assignment history and timeline. Here you can view the complete maintenance history at a glance. Click the View icon to preview the laptop asset details. Here you can view the full maintenance history along with all related details. Transform the way you work. The future start now with Innovatiive HRMS. Book your free demo and connect with us today.